Hello audience, welcome to Graphic Designing by Mishal.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
First of all, press File option and open your picture. Now, unlock both pictures by double-click on the Layer option. Then select the body with magnetic lasso tool from toolbar. Now, select the unselected area with rectangle marquee tool from toolbar. Now, drag the picture with selection tool and place it on the other image layer. Then, activate the transform option from top or by pressing Ctrl T. Then, adjust the body until it looks perfect. You can also group both the layers by pressing Ctrl G together. Now, press File option and save your picture of background mixing. Thanks for watching, like, share, and subscribe.